That dark patch on your neck is not just a stain. It's a biological alarm bell, screaming about a silent war inside your body. This condition is called Acanthosis nigricans. According to the Cleveland Clinic, it's a skin manifestation of an internal problem. It often appears in body folds, the neck, armpits, or groin. Many mistake it for dirt or a simple rash, but it's a physical sign of a deep metabolic disturbance. A warning that your body's fuel system is breaking down. Insulin. Its job is to move sugar from your blood into your cells for energy. But with insulin resistance, your cells become deaf to insulin's signal. They ignore it. In response, your pancreas panics. It works overtime, flooding your system with massive amounts of insulin to force the sugar into the cells. This state is called hyperinsulinemia. Your blood is literally overflowing with a growth-promoting hormone that has nowhere to go. This flood of insulin becomes a rogue agent. It starts binding to receptors it shouldn't. Specifically, the insulin-like growth factor receptors on your skin cells. This is a cellular hijacking. The excess insulin commands these skin cells to multiply at a frantic pace. They grow too fast, creating that thick, leather-like texture. At the same time, it stimulates melanin production, the pigment that gives skin its color. This is why the patches are dark. It's uncontrolled, hormone-driven growth, visible on your skin. Here is the most shocking fact. This skin sign can appear years, even a decade, before a formal diagnosis of type 2 diabetes. It is one of the earliest predictors. Research from institutions like Nationwide Children's Hospital confirms that in obese children, it's a direct marker of extra insulin buildup. It's strongly linked to metabolic syndrome and PCOS. Seeing this patch is like seeing smoke before the fire. The fire is full-blown diabetes. This is your chance to act before the blaze is uncontrollable. While insulin resistance is the cause in the vast majority of cases, there are other triggers. Certain medications, like corticosteroids or high-dose niacin, can induce it. Hormonal disorders can be a factor, and in very rare, frightening cases, a sudden and severe onset of AN can be a sign of an internal cancer, often of the stomach or liver. This is known as malignant Acanthosis nigricans. It looks different, more extensive and severe. If this appears out of nowhere, it warrants immediate, urgent evaluation. But here's the critical message of hope. In most cases, this is reversible. You don't treat the skin, you treat the cause. By addressing insulin resistance, the patches can fade and disappear completely. The Mayo Clinic confirms that weight loss of just 5 to 10% of body weight can normalize insulin levels. A focused diet and consistent exercise retrain your cells to listen to insulin again. This isn't about a cosmetic fix. It's about reversing a dangerous metabolic state. You are not just clearing your skin, you are preventing a future of chronic disease. The power to change this is in your hands. Now,